Hello my dear traders, today we are going to trade on the same chart using Intel OTC asset. And of course, don't forget that I'm using strategy based on technical analysis, which means we are going to take under consideration support and resistance levels, uptrends, downtrends, and other key patterns on the market. Today I will have $50 on my deposit. With this amount, we are going to start, and my plan for today is to make around $5,000. Guys, if I will be able to do that or not, you will get to know only at the end of the video, so I really advise you to watch it till the end, so you will not miss valuable insights about trading. And on this asset, I'm going to use 10 seconds Japanese candlesticks to analyze the market, and I will open deals from 1 to 5 minutes. Of course, everything will be depending on the situation. And so my dear traders, let's finally start. So guys, here we see a certain internal resistance level, which the price has already broken through and is moving up. At the same time, we have a measure resistance level at the top, and we see that there's still room for this level. Therefore, in this situation, it's just opening a deal for 3 minutes with a margin to buy following the uptrend. The price has a good potential to increase, mainly green candles are formed. It is more likely that the price will continue to move towards the level, and it is on this upward movement that we'll try to earn now, guys. 3 minutes I took with a margin in case consolidation or pullback down, because as you understand, even with the upward movement, the pullback downwards may occur. So guys, let's wait for the result. Well guys, it's not bad at all. As you can see, the price has indeed continued its upward movement, and we got the profit here. I have managed to earn on this upward movement. At the same time, 3 minutes was just enough for us, guys. Well, not a bad start. We made our first profit. Now I suggest that we will wait for another favorable trading situation. Okay, here we see the resistance level. At the same time, we also see that after touching the level, there was a pullback down. And after the pullback, the price turned around and is approaching our level again. And in this situation, I suggest opening a deal for 2 minutes to buy. It is more likely that the price will continue to rise to the level, because we also see that the price has a good potential to increase. Also, at the moment, only green candles have been forming lately. It is on this upward movement that we'll try to make money. I hope that 2 minutes will be enough for us, guys, in this situation, because there is very little room left before the resistance level. Well, let's wait for the result. So guys, there was a slight pullback, but after that the upward movement continued and we got the profit. We managed to work with you on this movement. At the same time, we also see that there is still room to reach the resistance level. Perhaps in the near future the price will continue to move towards the level. Therefore, we can try to open the next deal with you here, $145 for 2 minutes to buy. I'm just going to watch the price a little bit now, and perhaps the price will continue to move in the consolidation zone. But as soon as a green candle begins to form, we'll open a deal to buy. Okay guys, a green candle appears and we can open a deal. As you can see, after a small consolidation zone, the price continues to move up. Green candles continue to form. We will try to make money on the upward movement. It is also quite possible that this level will be breached. I hope that 2 minutes will be enough for us, and let's wait for the result.
40% of you guys watch my videos without subscribing. Let's fix that.
It's not bad, guys. The price really continued to move up. The resistance level has also been broken. This is where we got the profit. I have correctly predicted the further price movement. These situations really work well, guys. Everything is going great. Let's continue. So we have a level of support here, and in this situation I suggest that we immediately open a 1 minute deal to buy. As we can see, there was a steady downward movement here, and after breaking through the level, a green candle was formed. This means that it is more likely that after a steady downward movement as well as breakout of the level, the price will fall into the correction zone and there will be a rollback in the opposite direction. It is on this upward corrective movement that we will try to make money, guys. As a rule, in most cases 1 minute is quite enough. I hope that this time we will have enough time, so let's wait for the result. If you don't have a registered account with a broker yet, then the link to the broker is in the pinned comment under this video. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket Option, and I advise you to do the same. It's best to register on one of these websites because there are some of the brokers that actually have a license. With them, it's not scary to keep large amounts on your balance with the fear that they will be stolen somewhere, or simply not withdrawn at one moment saying that you traded unfairly. Believe me, this also happens unfortunately. Well, my dear traders, it's not bad at all. There was some kind of attenuation, the price has stopped. Nevertheless, we have managed to work on this upward corrective movement, and 1 minute was just enough for us. Well, I suggest that we continue our trading. So, we have a resistance level up here. At the same time, we also see that after the first touch of the level, there was a pullback down. And after the pullback, the price reversed and it's getting closer to our level again. So at the moment, there has been a slight downward pullback, but I think that the price is more likely to continue moving towards the level. We'll open the deal with you here for 3 minutes to buy following the uptrend. At the same time, we also see that in this situation, the price has a good potential to increase. The main price lows are also getting higher. That is, the price is moving quite confidently. It is on this upward movement that we'll try to make money, guys. Let's wait for the result. Quite good, my dear traders. The price continued to move towards the level. There was also a reaction from the resistance level. There was a downward pullback, but we managed to work with you on this particular upward movement. 3 minutes was enough for us. Well, let's continue. So this is where we see the level of support. We also see that after touching the level, there was an upward pullback and green candlesticks are forming. And in this situation, I suggest opening a deal for just 1 minute to buy. Guys, after a confident downward movement from the support level, there will be a reaction, I suppose. That is, we see that the price has pushed off from this level and is moving up. A certain corrective movement has begun. It is on this upward movement that we will try to make money. As a rule in such situation, 1 minute is also quite enough, and let's wait for the result, guys. Well, my dear traders, it's not bad at all. The price continues to move up. I managed to make profit. As you can see, 1 minute was just enough for us. Indeed, there was a reaction from the level of support there. These patterns work perfectly well. Let's continue. Okay, guys, we have a certain level of resistance up here. At the same time, we also see that at the moment there is an upward movement. The price is approaching our level. In this situation, I suggest waiting for the moment when the price touches the level and to open a deal in the opposite direction. So the price has approached the level. We are opening a deal to sell. It is more likely that a reaction will occur from this zone in the near future. As the price approached the level quite confidently within a pulsive green candle, we also see that the price has gone beyond the level, but I think that the price is more likely to fall into the correction zone and there will be a rollback in the opposite direction. It is on this downward movement that we'll try to make money. Guys, let's wait for the result. It's a dangerous moment, but we still got the profit. As you can see, the price has gone beyond the level. After that, it moved for a while in the consolidation area. After that, red candles continued to form. That is, there really was a pullback in the opposite direction, and I still managed to make money on the upward corrective movement. But at the same time, the price went beyond the level. That is, this moment can be considered as a false breakout of the resistance level, and this means that it's quite possible that this level will be fully broken in the near future. That's why I'm going to watch the price a little bit now, and if it continues to move towards the level again, that we will open the next deal on the same trading situation. So guys, we can see that after the downward pullback, the price has reversed and is approaching our level again. In this situation, I suggest opening a deal for 2 minutes to buy. For sure, the price will continue to move up. It is also quite possible that this level will be still fully broken through, and it is on this upward movement that we will try to make money. But at the same time, I took the time of 2 minutes with a margin because it is possible that the price may move in the consolidation zone. There may also be another small pullback down because we see that there's still a reaction from the resistance level. That is, the price needs some time to accumulate strength before breaking through the level, and I think 2 minutes will be totally enough in this situation. So guys, let's wait for the result. Okay, traders, it's not bad at all. The price was indeed moving in the consolidation zone, but after that, confident impulsive green candles were formed and the price went beyond the level. That is, just at the moment the resistance level is being broken, confident impulsive green candles continues to form, and I have managed to make money by breaking through the resistance level, guys. So let's continue. Alright guys, we have a resistance level up here. At the same time, we also see that there have already been two touches of this level. We also see that after another downward pullback, the price has reversed and is currently approaching our level again. This is where we'll open a deal for 2 minutes to buy. I think that the price will continue to move up in the near future. It is also quite possible that this level will be breached because the price here also has good potential to increase. The main price lows are getting higher. We will try to make money on this upward movement. I hope that 2 minutes will be enough for us in this situation, guys, even take into account a possible consolidation or pullback. Well, let's wait for the result. Great, guys, as you can see, the price still continued to move up and we got the profit here. I have correctly predicted the further price movement, and well, in the meantime, guys, I already have $6,400 on my. So guys, as you can see, all the situations which I found today worked so well for me, and also, as you can see, I was able to find all of them just on one chart. Of course, you probably already noticed that some situations are similar to each other, and this proves once again that all the situations periodically appear on the chart. Because guys, even on one asset you can find similar situations. And so guys, don't forget to trade and train as much as possible because this is the key to success. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel, to like this video if you enjoyed it. Also leave a comment down below if you will try this asset as well. Let me know your thoughts. And guys, I have a closed community where I share my trading signals. If you want to join, guys, super easy, just text me code word signal. Only then I will add you to my exclusive community. And it's a really good path for you for free trading signals from me and also valuable insights about trading. Alright guys, this is it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.